The guilty verdict handed down by the jury in the Collis Chucky Brown murder trial has not gone down well with his family and friends in Manchester. Our news team was in the community hours after the decision in the high-profile matter. More in this report.
Battersea District, Manchester. It is where Constable Collis Brown has his roots. When the guilty verdict was read out on Thursday, it hit his loved ones like the figurative ton of bricks.
God Almighty, no good. It's not good. It's not good.
And he used the young squaddy.
The tough-talking, hardline policeman that was painted in the court is the opposite of what these people said they knew.
You could rely on him, because if anything goes wrong in the community and you call, he's here. You see, and he was a very good policeman.
Nice and good, gentle. Man, I even find out where he even start run money on school children, and develop his career.
Others we spoke to said they are puzzled as to why one man is in trouble with the law, despite the reports of a squad of rogue cops.
The man will give him the order, A hectic, the crime get hectic in our country, why they give him those orders to carry out the death squad to curb crime and violence in the country. It don't look good to nobody at all because it was in him alone carry out the act. Why delegate the other staff man and have him there? That's non-justice. Non-justice isn't there.
Like many onlookers, they now wait to hear the time he will do for his multiple convictions, including murder.
He do a lot of time in there already still, I don't see mercy of God to really help him.
Sentencing in the matter is set for December 20. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.